I'm going to share you Ardhanarishvara Makeup, which is like half Shivji and half Parvati. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you have missed on my Shivji makeup, you can check my previous video. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to moisturize my skin, my look with a elf primer. So you can apply it all over your face. This will also protect your face from so many products which you're going to use. I'm going to create Ardhanarishwari, so I'm going to divide my face into two parts. Side I'm gonna make Shivji makeup and this side Parvati. I'm gonna start with the most difficult part of this entire look, which is the eyes, the third eye. So I'm gonna make a third eye here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make half part of the eyes this side and half part this side. So usually what people do is they make a circle out here. No, what you have to do is you have to make a half circle. Just the lower part should touch and like a semicircle kind of a thing. Don't make a ball, it looks artificial. Proportion like this. So once I've created the the base of it, now get a rough idea how I'm going to create my eyes. With a white base, this is from Krylon, so I'm going to use this product, so it's easily wipes out with the water and it's completely safe. It's a little bit on the expensive part, but it works amazing. I'm going to go ahead with the eyeball. For eyeballs, I'm going to use the same Krylon product, that is this one. I'm going to take black and I'm going to make a half circle. I've got this entire kit of Krylon. So this has a lot of colors in it. So if you're gonna try for a face painting, always goes for a good product, as this gives you a good pigmentation. So definitely yes from my side for this product. And I usually create all my looks using Krylon product. It is a bit on the expensive part. I'm not sure what's the rate right now, but you can surely check it on online, and definitely must recommend it. This is not a sponsored video, so this is my personal review which I'm giving you. So I also have this Q-tip. If you see, it has brushes for mascara, for rubbing out extra. I've also kept some toothpick and some lipstick applier. So this is like a must recommended if you're doing a makeup to the clients, as you can use the avoid any infection. Q-tip from this. I'm going to use water and just rub off the excess. I'm going to fill the remaining part like this. I'm going to use a pink color. Pink shade would be a mixture of white. It's almost over. White, a little bit of pink. And then I'm gonna pinkish from this side, bit from this side. Using a black eyeliner. This is from NYX. Always use a Q-tip to remove the excess, as it makes it very easier. So I'm done with the eyes. I like I'm gonna get started with the rest of the face. So this is how the eye looks. I feel there is still some finishing to be done, but as of now I think it's fine. So I'm gonna start with this blue, then I'm gonna do contouring with this one and some shading with this one. Use a thick brush for this. Just apply it randomly. Make sure that you don't cross the line. That's it. As you can see, I can still see my skin color from this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply one layer of it. Then I'm gonna go ahead with the second layer. We have a lot of patience. Finish this off and come back. The second layer and make sure that my skin is not visible, because if your skin is visible this will not look real. So make sure that your skin is not visible when you're creating this look. As you can see, I've finished half part of my face. It is still not finished. I'm going to do some contouring using the light shade of this color, the lavender color. So I'm going to use this. Use the same brush. Not going to change the brush, just dip a little bit of water to it. So I've made a thick paste of it. Is I'm going to apply it like this. A darker shade. As you can see, the blending is not that great out here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend this out this way using this brush. Another layer of it. Now let's blend this off. So once I'm done with this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a blue eyeshadow and set everything up. Take me back to the Brazil palette. This was my favorite palette when I used to create all creative eyeshadows. I'm gonna use a thick brush and I'm gonna use a blue shade of this palette, and I am just gonna blend this. I think this lashes is perfect. This is from this brand. So I'm gonna use it like that. It's perfect. Always apply lashes with your open eyes. This will make you understand where exactly you want to apply your lashes. Otherwise, your eyes will look smaller. The lash line is still visible. I don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a liner to hide it. I'm gonna use a purple color and I'm gonna shade it with it like this. So I'm done with this part finally. Do Parvati side. This part has turned out amazing the way I wanted. Clean this part. The foundation for this look which I'm using is from the brand Forever 52. Take a little part of it. I'm gonna spread it all over my face. It has beautifully covered all my dark spots. So I'm gonna cover all of this using this amazing foundation. I just love this foundation. I don't apply foundation on my neck, but for this look I'm gonna apply a good amount of foundation. So I'm going to use contour from the brand Krylon. The shade number is D16, which I'm using right now. The concealer which I'm using is of Kylie Cosmetics. I'm gonna use all the full coverage one. So this one is definitely a full coverage concealer. I'm gonna use Huda Beauty palette for this look. The second lash. Oh shit, this just broke off. Oh my god. What? Okay. I think I'm just gonna apply half part of it. Yeah. Look at this. It's like, God, what I'm gonna do now? Because I want both the eyes to look really, because I feel the eyes is the most important part of this look. Oh, this broke off. No problem. I'm gonna put this half lashes. So this broke off, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this half lashes. So it just came off. Definitely I'm not gonna use this lash again. I'm not gonna buy this lash again for sure. Really like the how natural this lashes look. Maybe the way I removed it was not right. I don't know what went wrong, but I think I can survive with this right now. Yes. Oh no. Whenever I apply lashes, I make sure that I top it with an eyeliner. I want a really thick eyeliner and I'm gonna wing it out like this. I'm gonna apply some kajal. Little bit of pink like this. I'm gonna create some fake lashes to my third eye. Uh-uh. As this gonna take time, I'm gonna do it offline. So I have done this offline. It's looking so pretty, right? I wish I could do this at my wedding too. Now let's go ahead and I'm gonna create some lines out here. Nice. Oh, it's not looking good. I'm gonna remove this off. So let me apply this beautiful lead lipstick which I have. This is looking so beautiful. So I've done with my makeup. Let me do my hair. Let me see whether I can do it online or offline. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide my hair into two parts, and let's see how it goes. Okay.
शिव ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदा शिव अर्धांगी